In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wise account to your Amazon seller account. To get started, first prepare your Wise account. Log in and make sure your account is fully verified before you try to connect it to Amazon. Once you're inside Wise, open the currency balance you want to use for receiving Amazon payouts. Then select Get Account Details if that option is available and copy the bank details exactly as they appear. This part is very important because the account details need to match the Amazon marketplace you're being paid from. For example, if you're receiving payouts from Amazon US, use your Wise USD account details. If you're receiving from Amazon UK, use your Wise GBP details. And if you're receiving from Amazon EU, use your Wise EUR IBAN. Amazon payouts need to be sent using matching local currency account details, so make sure you choose the correct one. Next, log in to Amazon Seller Central. From there, click the Settings gear icon, open Account Info, then go into Payment Information. Inside that section, choose Deposit Methods or Bank Account Info, depending on what your account shows. Now you're ready to add the new deposit method. Click Add New Deposit Method, select the Amazon store you want to connect, and then choose the bank location country. Be careful here and select the country that corresponds to the Wise account details you copied earlier. In other words, the bank location should match the local account details provided by Wise for that currency. After that, enter your Wise bank details into Amazon exactly as shown. Depending on the currency and region, Amazon may ask for things like the account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, or other banking information. The safest approach is to copy everything directly from Wise and avoid typing from memory, since even a small error can delay approval or payments. Once the details are entered, Amazon may ask you to verify that the bank account belongs to you or your business. If that happens, you can upload a proof of account ownership from Wise or a Wise bank statement. Verification can take up to 4 working days, so don't worry if it isn't approved immediately. Before submitting, review all the information carefully, then submit the deposit method, and if Amazon asks you to assign the account to a specific store, go ahead and complete that step. After that, wait for Amazon's verification to finish. When the account is approved, return to deposit methods and confirm that your Wise account is listed and assigned correctly. You can also check the payments dashboard for upcoming disbursements. From that point on, your Amazon sales can flow into your Amazon seller payout, into your Wise currency balance, and then you can convert or withdraw the funds from Wise as needed.